Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com making this video about gold. So let's get started. This is a gold chart. I made all new charts for all the pairs and commodities, oil and gold and all the indices and all of that over the weekend. So this is gold monthly chart I made on Saturday. I made all of those new charts on Saturday and gave it to my subscribers. So 5th August, this is the one which was last, Saturday, and today's Monday. So monthly chart showing that this is like wave 1, 2, A, B, C, 2, sideways correction. Then wave 3, perfect, by the book. Then A, B, C, wave 4, perfect, by the book. So we get by the book everything. So I said, well, maybe wave 5 by the book. So we started from here and all the way so far here, but wave 5 should be around this area. So let's see. Usually the target for wave 5 is 61% off wave 3. So I have that tool here, and then 61% is coming to 2184. Right. So that would be ultimate target. But for now, the important thing is that we need to stay above 1920 and then go towards 2074, break that, and then go to the upside. So 1920 is the key number. Now, weekly chart, take a look at that. This is also the weekly chart I made, showing that, first thing first, we need to go above, stay above 1920 and go to 2074, right? If we break that, 2080 is gone, then we can go to the upside. We can talk about that later, right? For first thing first, this is the target, but immediate target is 1959, this one, okay? So weekly chart, you can see this is how it is. I said must stay above 1920 in order to go to the upside. Now, if you look at my 40-minute chart, this is how it is. It's a very small 40-minute chart. Actually, it's a 40 brick size, right? So these Renko charts are, based on brick, not the time frame. So if you look at this trend coming down, 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 very close to 1920, which is, I think it's like 1925, and then boom, we start and then drop. What is this? This is a pattern that, you call it, so like ABC pattern. It's wave 1 and wave 2, followed by wave 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So, and wave 1 and wave 2 usually is around 61% of wave 1, or sometimes 78, or in between. So we exactly in between that. The level between 61 and 78 is 70.7, which is the square root of 50. So this is where we are now. Important thing is that we have a clear divergence on my indicator here, right? So beautiful divergence that is showing that the turn is imminent and is coming, just a matter of when, right? So ABC correction, perfect setup, and with the divergence. So very nice setup, and I'm looking forward to go long, but I'm not going to open a trade from here now, right now. This is the 40-minute chart. So what I do is I have a smaller time frame. Like you're looking at the 1 hour regular chart, but then you make an entry from 5-minute chart, right? So this is what I do. It's my 40-minute chart is equivalent to a normal Japanese candlestick 4-hour chart. So I go to my 5-minute chart, which is this one, and I say it's 100 brick size, right? So this is what is happening right now, and it is bearish right now. So I need it to go turn bullish, and for that I need this yellow line above the red line, and then if I get my setup, then I'll take it. The setup would be something like what the heck, move, man. I'll show you how. See, these are long setups. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, right? All of these are long setups. So if it travels like this powerfully, this is how it gives the entries. That's what I'm looking for. And before that, I'm not going to make an entry. It can stay here, wobble for several days if you want to, right? So I just want to make sure and a confirm entry once it start to move to the upside. The first entry I see, clear entry, I'll take it. And then we take it from there. If not, oops, no problem, right? So I'm not wrong. I'm not taking short. I'm not taking long. I'm safe. The only way that I will trade this one right now is that if we go above and give me, I get a clear long setup, then I'll take it. Simple as that. Even then, if I'm wrong, oops, no problem, right? So my asset is always very tight, so no big deal. I'll always catch some big one down the road, right? So 100 pip trades and a couple of them, and 150 pip trades, no problem. Last week I had Aussie yen right after, no, Euro Aussie after the Aussie news for 165 pip trade, right? So something like that covers all the small losses, 5, 6 losses you have. One trade, one good trade will cover all of that. All right. So this is how I look at it. This is my 40-minute chart. Again, this is my weekly chart showing that from 1920, first is 1959, break that, and then we go towards this 2080. Okay. And break that, then 21, whatever. We'll think about that later, right? Once we get to this area and break that 2080, then we will worry about this. All right, so this is it for now, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get my videos quickly as soon as I upload them. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of my group and get the system, IB system, and then learn how to do this and that the way I do it, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, blah blah blah. You want to learn that, so go on my website here, creativetradingsystems.com, and you have several options there to learn, to get the system and learn, right? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful new trading week.